Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for an egg fried rice with some king prawns. Sit back, relax and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Now let's get straight into this. So first of all, we take a bowl, and to that then we're going to break 2 fresh eggs. We're going to season them liberally with some salt and some pepper. Then we're going to give them a good whisk round to set them to the side while we go over to our cooker. So over to our cooker, we're going to add a frying pan, put it onto a medium heat, let it warm up, and add 2 tablespoonfuls of olive oil. And to that then we're going to add 100 grams of small chestnut mushrooms which have been finely sliced. Then we're going to add half a red pepper and half a yellow pepper. Give that a stir around, let that cook for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to start to add our other ingredients. So we start off with 50 grams of frozen peas. Give that a stir around, let that cook for a few seconds. Now we're going to add 6 spring onions which have been topped and finely chopped. Then we're going to add 20 grams of ginger which has been peeled and finely grated. And then 2 cloves of crushed garlic. We'll give that a stir around, we'll let that cook for a couple of minutes, just until the garlic and ginger take on some fragrance. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means that I can make further videos for you. Now we'll push our vegetables to the side, and then we're going to add our egg mixture that we made earlier. We're going to let that cook for 2 or 3 minutes just until it starts to scramble, and then we'll mix it in with the rest of the vegetables. Now to that then we're going to add 150 grams of cooked rice. Give that a stir around just to make sure all the vegetables are incorporated. And then on top of that there, we're going to add 150 grams of cooked king prawns. Again, give those a stir around, just let everything warm up. So now the vegetables and prawns are mixed, we're just going to add 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Again, give that a stir around, just make sure that all the flavours are mixed in. And that the soy sauce is just covering every grain of rice. So now that everything's heated through, it's time to serve our egg fried rice with prawns. So folks, I just served mine in the bowl. I top it with a few spring onions. Now if you enjoyed this video, please again don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.